Hi everyone, I'm going to be making butterscotch pudding today. So in a bowl I have 5 tablespoons of salted butter that has been softened to room temperature. This is 1 1/3 cup of light brown sugar that's packed. I'm going to cream this together on medium speed. I'm adding a 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I'm going to stir this in just till it's combined. I've added 4 egg yolks. Now the leftover egg whites you could use for meringue cookies, or if you wanted to put this pudding in a pie shell, you could put baked meringue on top of the pie. This is 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix this in on medium speed till it's all combined. So on the stove I'm heating up 4 cups of milk on medium heat till it's hot. It's going to take about 2 minutes and you don't want your milk to boil. And I've moved my pudding mixture into a heavy pot. I have this on the stove. I've got it on medium-low right now. I'm going to slowly add in the hot milk and stir it in between as I'm adding it here. And I'm going to turn the heat up in a second to medium. I want to slowly bring it up to a boil. And then when it boils, I'm going to boil it for 1 minute, stirring. And I'm going to constantly stir it while it's boiling. And then I'm going to remove it from the heat. Okay, so I've added more milk and I haven't added it all yet. I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat up. So if you want to put this in a pie, I would make half the recipe. Or you could make 2 pies. So after it's boiled 1 minute, you're going to remove it from the stove and let it cool completely before pouring it in a pie shell. Or you could serve this warm or cold. So there's my butterscotch pudding. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.